ABN, celebrating Africa's rich cultural heritage.
The Chief Judge of Osun State, Justice Adedoyin Ojo, has ordered that Dr. Remands Adedoyin and 6 others standing trial over the death of Timothy Adegoke be remanded in Ilesha Correctional Facility. Justice Adedoyin Ojo gave the ruling when the accused were arraigned before the court on Thursday. Heavy security presence at the State High Court in Osogbo, the Osun State capital. They were arraigned on 11-count charge bordering on conspiracy, murder felony among others, and they all pleaded not guilty to the all counts. The prosecution counsel pleaded that all the 7 persons be remanded at Ilesha Correctional Center. But counsel to the defendant, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Rashid Adegoke, said applications for bail had been filed for 6 of them on 8 grounds. On the owner of the hotel, Remands Adedoyin, Rashid Adegoke pleaded that since he's not standing trial for capital office, it should be granted bail by virtue of Section 158, subsection 2, paragraph A and Section 157 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law of Osun State. After listening to the argument from both sides, Justice Adedoyin Ojo ordered that all the accused be remanded in Ilesha Correctional Center with a promise to deliver a ruling when the applications of the 7th defendant, Adedeji Adeshola, is brought before her.
To the charges. And to that extent, today, the arraignment has been done. Now, we brought applications on behalf of the defendants to the effect that it will be good and in the interest of justice, insofar as there's presumption of innocence accorded the defendants by the Constitution, that the court should admit them to bail. And the ground for the application for bail is fundamentally on the state of health of the defendants. The prosecution did not testify to the effect that the defendants were hale and hearty. There is patent admission to the effect that all of them arraigned today are suffering from one debilitating ailment or the other, and to which there are reports, medical reports, from government-certified hospital. And that is one requirement placed on ground by the law in Nigeria for granting bail. We have moved applications for bail for 6 out of the 7 defendants, and the court is going to consider the applications and decide whether to grant bail or otherwise. As regards the 7th defendant, we couldn't file an application for bail because she was just added to the list of defendants yesterday by the prosecution. She was not one of those persons intended to be charged before. So charges were brought yesterday against her, and the court sat today. So in the circumstance, we are going to file an necessary application for her for the court to look at and determine. The ball is in the court of my lord.
Okwayemi Akinyemi, Abntv News, Osun State, Nigeria.